Alright guys, I know it's been a long time. Before we get started, I gotta give a huge shout out to my sponsor, Ray Jan. Or is that Ray Jan? I can't tell. We gotta work on that font, buddy. But yeah, check it out. Get you some Ray Jan today. Link in the description. Also, the owner of Ray Jan hooked it up with the C5 Corvette. So that's what we'll be getting into today. Pretty exciting stuff. Thank you, Stu, for the huge deal. You're killing it, buddy. Well, here it is, guys. Big shout out to Frank and Justin. Everybody helping me get this thing. Justin let me use the trailer. Frank drove his truck to help pick it up. And of course, Stu for the banging deal. It's a 97, 107,000 miles, rebuilt title. I believe it's already rebuilt, meaning it doesn't have to like go through salvage or anything silly. Wheels are wrong, and the interior needs some help. The wiring needs a lot of help. The door hinges need some help. Pretty much every panel is scratched, cracked, or chipped. Oh yeah, let's. The main thing keeping this thing from starting at the moment, the rat's nest of wires. This not the best. Could be better. Could be better. I'm gonna try to fiddle with this, see if we can get it to run with the factory stuff. And if not, Stu also included a Terminator X and a Halo seat, which I have not even seen. Nice. It's expired. I think it was manufactured date of 2018, but looks to be in pretty good shape. Much better shape than pretty much all my seats. I'm happy with that. The headlights are broken too. I think I'm missing a front marker light. Oh, yeah. Oh, the piece de resistance. Oh, yeah. She's a little furred, bud. I mean, that's kind of probably why it was salvaged, if I had to guess. Yeah. That one too. Yeah, that one too. AC doesn't have any pressure, but I think the condenser is actually broken for that one. But good news is, windshield's in good shape. It's not a convertible totally. It's a Targa, which is fun. Throwback to the 90s for that one. Flip up headlights for the throwback too. It's got a little logo right there. Bose speakers, watch out. I didn't even care. I didn't know that was a thing.
You don't have a radio.
No radio, it doesn't matter. Yeah, a lot of the interior is missing.
Oh, we'll see what's back here. We're getting ready to go through.
There's not a whole lot. I already looked.
Oh, you already looked?
I didn't show that anybody, but not a whole lot. Just a couple of miscellaneous things. And then, yeah, if you guys like, what do you think? Restore this thing? Rip it out, make it a race car? I'm thinking daily drifter / mostly daily.
It's just something for you to haul your French bulldogs around.
Drive to the library in.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, if you haven't known, I got a job. A little part-timer at the library. They actually rent tools out for free. Howard County Library, you just need to be a Maryland resident. Check them out, and I'll see you there. Goodbye. We're, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours into this thing now. Justin, Frank,
These are,
Heather, your dad,
one of these is not
myself.
for this.
Everyone's playing with this. And we have done a significant amount of wiring. Very close to starting it. We'll be back at the end of the moment. Might stop. Might not.
So yeah, they're both
Yeah, we're back. I'm gonna try starting this thing. Frank's on the camera. And since we don't have the wiring completely figured out, we're gonna try to jump the starter relay. It's gonna run! Give it some gas! Oh, well. Look at all the smoke. Hey, are you filming?
I was filming.
Did you turn it off?
Huh.
Oh, okay. Well, we have a little bit of tinkering to do, but this is very success.
I want to plug my ECU in.
Yeah, we're gonna try that with the ECU because the one we have is it's literally shaking inside of it. All right, attempt number 2. See how it goes. This is with Frank's ECU, and we're currently jumping what's called the anti-theft relay, but it's really just the starter relay. Oh yeah. and that's running off of lacquer thinner right now.
Yeah, it's not good. All right, turn it off.
Does it have oil pressure?
No oil pressure.
Or is the gauge not work?
The gauge may not work.
No, that's good. We're gonna have to get HP tuners hooked up to this thing and make sure we actually,
Cool.
things going on. This is awesome.
That's a good day.
Sweet. Just needed an ECU because somebody ran it over.
Thanks, Stu.
There you go. You're like filming at a 22-degree angle.
I'm not a camera guy, dude. What do you want?
We can tell.
I need a beer.
Bink. Heck yeah, Kevin. Thanks, Frank. Zach came over too. We didn't film him, but check this out, guys. I used Kevin's tune, and I got this thing to start. Oh yeah. Big shout out. And the throttle response. Dude, I'm stoked. I can't argue with that. I might go take it on a drive. So I can't go very far. I'm just gonna go around the block. And my seat also slides around on me, so it's a little weird. Got brakes. Yay! Second gear. Come on, guy, just go. I don't have lights. A little hesitant. Those tires are bald. Oh! Clutch all the way to the floor. Oh my goodness. What synchros? Third and fourth might be shot. Yeah, third and fourth synchros are shot. Oh my gosh. Smoked. Three, yeah, 3 is just 4. 5 is fine. 3 and 4 synchros are shot. Well, I gotta figure out how to rebuild a transmission, I guess. Bummer. Besides that, everything else seems okay. It's running, driving, brakes work. The lights don't work or any of that. It's a lot of wiring issues, obviously. Race car shit, I guess. Heading back home, that's about it. It's very weird shifting with the seat that shifts around. Oh, in the grass. Oh. Oh yeah, definitely needs a lot more work. But hey, coolant temp. We don't have a PSI reading. All the gauges and stuff are on. Battery's working. Turn the gauges actually on there. Oh, but yeah, no horn. Looks like third. fourth. Fifth is okay. Do we have an ability to go into sixth? 3, 4, 5. Doesn't want to go into sixth. Sixth locked out, maybe. I don't know. I don't know about that. Got to get on the highway. Maybe next time.